guys, so I'm headed over to Central Oregon. I'm actually going to pick up my mom and grandma and sister, and then we're gonna stop at my dad's work and pick him up, and we're gonna drive over to visit family and go to my cousin's baby shower tomorrow. So I'm gonna take you along with me, and there's a lot of snow along the way, so that'll be kind of fun to see. So yeah, I will see you guys in a little bit. We managed to get 5 people's worth of luggage in my car, and we didn't even fill it up to the very top, so that's some skills, yo, skills. We're talking about generations, people. What's your generation?
Sarah will sometimes come in after she sees a client, you know, and
I feel like if you hate everything that makes your generation, you should get to be like
a different generation.
Yeah.
You should get to
claim another generation.
call the president, ask him to be in another generation.
have parties like
have
you
a
know.
let's have a walkout.
Let's have a walkout. You know how they have like political parties? Can we have generation parties? Like if you're in the millennial party.
Yeah, you could just hold it, Dad.
If you like everything that's terrible. And then if you don't like everything that's
Dad cam.
Put it on the dashboard, honey.
Well, we did, but it keeps like sliding around.
You need a mount.
Let's just make up our own generation. How about the Rugrats generation?
That definitely, you could call it.
We watch it. Chelsea, do you ever watch the React channel on YouTube?
Like YouTubers react.
Yeah, something like that. They did one, the Can You Recognize 90s cartoons, and they just played the theme song on like their headphones. And they had to try and guess it. It was so good.
I thought you first asked, do you watch YouTube, Chelsea? And I'm like, duh.
No.
I've never watched YouTube in my life. I don't even know what YouTube is. In fact, you know, here's a fun fact. Like when it was like MySpace versus Facebook, and then Facebook won out, it was E-Bombs World versus YouTube, and YouTube won out.
Oh, what's the E-Bombs World?
It's been exactly.
At least we've heard of MySpace.
E-Bombs World was like, it had like videos and stuff, because I used to always watch E-Bombs World like in college on my computer. It was just like video, just the same thing.
You posted on MySpace or Facebook?
And then now it's
there was no Facebook when you were in college.
yeah, there was, but I couldn't have it because my school wasn't registered. Because
it was like
in the movie there was just like certain schools.
Right.
Stanford.
But OSU had it, so I remember like Caitlin Phillips and like other people with it were like, oh, you should get on, but it was the Facebook. Like, oh, you should get on the Facebook, and I'm like, what is the Facebook? Like, I don't even know what that is. And I couldn't get on, and so they're like, oh, well, maybe. Then by the end of like that year, Western Oregon like was allowed.
Became part of it.
So then I could have the Facebook, but I still didn't understand what it was at all.
What year would it have been?
Oh, it was like 05-ish, 04, 05. 40. We made it. They've got giant piles of snow. There's my Aunt Kathy in the window waiting for us. Yeah. There's Jamie. Hey! Jamie! This is my cousin Aspen. We're in Target shopping. Do you have anything to say for the vlog?
Hello.
That's all you've got?
No.
Say something extravagant. We got gum.
We got gum.
That's good.
And you should watch Napoleon Dynamite.
Yeah, watch Napoleon Dynamite, people. It's good stuff.
Hilarious. And we got some orange LaCroix.
Show them what you got.
Yeah.
LaCroix.
Who doesn't like LaCroix?
It's good.
And jelly beans. I mean, Skittles, but they look the same.
They're Easter Skittles.
And then Easter M&Ms.
Easter M&Ms.
And it's for a baby shower.
Yeah.
And then we got some baby goldfish to go with the theme.
Oh yeah, baby goldfish.
So yeah, it's just a Friday night for us.
Show them your cool hair. It matches Target. Isn't that cool? Nice red Target hair.
Well, we're just looking around, and Target's awesome. It's my life.
What did you do at Target?
What crazy with my friends.
They were riding carts around the store, huh?
Yeah, it was like about 20 miles per hour and it felt really good on my head.
On your hair? Was it blowing in the wind?
I was like, woo!
It's so hard to give me way too much time to think about what I want to do. And I'm like, oh, wait.
That was an illegal touch.
So many illegal touches.
I caught Matt. Hey, I was not in the net. I just the ceiling is the ceiling is the net. Okay, it's a game of volleyball. Jamie's the best.
Ceiling is the net? Alright.
Point, Maddie. Got the antenna. Are you joining team, Aspen? Aspen's on your team. Now you can actually do the full sunset bike.
Boom. Go.
Good save.
I was very close to teaching about it too.
Point, Chelsea.
Oh dear.
Woo. I'm getting winded, people. I don't know what you call that, but I call that awesome.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Okay. That was the Jamie cam.
Only to like
Everybody's chaining up. Look at all these cars chaining up. None of them are Subarus. We don't want winter anymore. This is madness.
Cold never bothered me anyways.
The cold never bothered me, but it did bother me now.
Talk about me.
It's really bothering me.
I'm very bothered by this.
Look at that.
We're all bothered.
We're heading home. It's snowier.
Bother.
Look at that whole side of the road though.
It's ridiculous.
Like our side of the road has no pavement and then that side of the road has, wait, other way around. It's kind of pretty but kind of annoying.
she isn't going to school this semester.
Crazy. We stopped for a bathroom break. Look how cool that looks. I have to get cool Instagram pictures. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay, just a second. See if I want to set the camera down somewhere, but I don't know if I'm gonna
I just want you to know I just climbed over the seat.
lose it.
I'm out here with you.
Yeah!
What?
I hope I don't die and fall down a cliff. I'm risking my life for you guys. I am risking my life for YouTube. I don't know about this. I was gonna try to set the camera there, but I don't know about this. Dude, this is like, doesn't actually even really feel that cold to me.
It really doesn't.
Like,
I'm loving this.
this is so pretty.
Kingdom. Can you imagine just living in this? Like
My
is this
Instagram is
just
gonna be sick. I know,
this
this
is
is
what our
crazy.
winters were like all the time.
It's like so cool. Like you guys, I bet Santa's here at the North Pole.
The North Pole in Central Oregon.
Other people are in the car because they're too cold.
Mom's waving.
Oh, there's people down. I hear people that way. Do you?
Yeah. They're probably who made this.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh,
My mom's taking pictures of us.
they're cross country skiing.
Oh, they are. That's cool.
That's cool.
They're back
I
there.
want a snowshoe.
Right there.
Hey guys, thanks for watching.
Who's the one forgetting their lines? You. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future adventures. And we'll see you in our next video.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Good.